How would you like to make money from your photography hobby and turn it into a profitable and successful business?
Perhaps you're fed up with a regular 9 to 5, you're looking to start a new career, or even spend more time with your family. Did you know that around 80% of what makes business successful and profitable comes from industry knowledge?
This course will cover everything from setting up your brand, finding your niche, marketing and social media, building your website, reaching your target audience, and much, much more.
Take on new challenges, discover new opportunities, and love going to work for once.
Using our combined 27 years of experience, we will guide you through every process of building your business with me, Rachel Sinclair,
and Emily Lowrey. Follow along using our exclusive downloads to craft your business from A to Z. From creating your personal business plan and designing the perfect branding, to uncovering market techniques to suit your audience and sustain your business year-round.
Sign up to this in-depth business course today and discover how you can turn your hobby into a life-changing career in just 7 info-packed modules.